Hello students, today we have seen class 6 English chapter number 3.3 Stone Soup all questions and answer. Question number 1 answer the following questions. A. Where does the story take place? Answer is the story takes place in a village. B. List the characters in the play and write one or two lines about each. Answer is first, Motiram. He is a farmer. He has had a good produce that year. He doesn't like others to know how well his crops have grown because he doesn't like to entertain unwanted guests. He is very direct and rude with unwanted guests. Second, Sonabai. She is a farmer's wife. Her husband's farm has had a good product that year. She too doesn't like uninvited guests. She is clever at making excuses. Third, Hirabai. Hirabai too is a farmer's wife. She doesn't like to waste good food and money on others. She is also good at making excuses. 4. Rupabai. She is a simple lady. She is not as well to do as her neighbors. She is not as clever in making excuses as her neighbor. She usually speaks the truth. Fifth, traveler. He is poor and footsore and hungry, but he is very clever. He manages to get the villagers to contribute something or the other to the soup he makes. C. How do the following avoid giving anything to the traveler? Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai, Rupabai. Answer is first, Motiram avoids giving anything to the traveler in a very direct and rude way. He just tells him that dinner is over and nothing is left. He tells the traveler to try elsewhere and bangs the door shut. Sonabai pretends to be hard of hearing. She pretends to hear the word wood instead of food. Hirabai pretends not to understand the traveler's language. Rupabai says that her larder is empty and that she herself is hungry. D. Find what Hirabai tells the traveler by reading her words from right to left. Answer is first, go away, no food and no rest for anyone here. Second, good, I do not want you to go elsewhere. E. Apart from the stone, how many things go into the soup? Answer is apart from the stone, the following things go into the soup: peeled potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, beans, onions, ginger, salt, and pepper. F. Does the traveler really have a magic stone? Answer is no, the traveler does not have a magic stone. The magic is the feeling of wanting to share in the heart of people. Question number 2. On any one page, note against the speech of every character what feelings it should show to bring out the meaning best. For example, joy, fear, anger, nervousness, friendliness, dislike, surprise, wonder, excitement, politeness, rudeness, cunning, curiosity. Answer is first, Hirabai. Guest can be a nuisance, dislike. Second, Motiram. Dinner is over, there is nothing left. Try elsewhere, rudeness. Third, Sonabai. Hello, hello, maybe I can be of some help. Cunning curiosity. 4. Rupabai. A magic stone that makes soup. I can hardly believe this. Surprise. Question number 3. Read aloud or enact the play. Students, do it by yourself. Question number 4. Write a recipe for the stone soup. Answer is first ingredients: a pot of water, a stone, peeled potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, beans, onions, a piece of ginger, salt, pepper, and some kindness in the heart of the people who make it. Second, how to make it. Drop a stone into the pot of water, boil the water, add a few peeled potatoes and stir. Add tomatoes and plenty of carrots and stir again. Add beans, onions, ginger and stir. Add salt, pepper and serve hot. Question number 5. Form pairs. Write at least one short dialogue for each of the following expressions. A. I agree. B. True. C. You are right. D. Why not? To mean that something can be done. E. Thank you. For example, Amit, I think all schools should have a big playground. Sumit, I agree. Answer me. We should all ask the teacher to change the topic for the essay. You, I agree. Me, if it rains, there will be waterlogging on this part of the road. You, true. Me, I don't think Jay will be able to carry that load. Someone will have to help him. You are right. Me, shall we ask the teacher to take us to greenhouse? You, why not? Me, here is a box of pencils for your little brother. You, thank you. Question number 6. Find the meaning of charity begins at home. Find other sayings which have a similar meaning. Answer. Meaning. A person's first responsibility is to see to the needs of his or her own family and friends before helping other people. Question number 7. List 5 questions from the play which can be answered with yes or no. Answer is first, a magic stone that makes soup. Second, one or two, you said. Third, carrots and tomatoes would give it a tempting color, wouldn't they? Four, does it melt away? 5. Have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Question number 8. Smart answers. Form a large group. Each person asks the next one a question to get him to say yes or no. He or she can use appropriate statements, requests, or even other questions as a response. But if he or she says yes or no, he or she is out. Otherwise, he or she continues the game. Questions cannot be repeated. Answer. Students, do it by yourself. Question number 9. Visit a library. Find stories about host and guest. Share them with the class. Classify the stories into funny and serious stories. Students, do it by yourself. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.